लाखों इंडियंस ये मिस्टेक्स करते हैं। आई डिड अ मिस्टेक, रिटर्न बैक या डिस्कस अबाउट। आज की वीडियो में मैं आपको कुछ कॉमन इंग्लिश मिस्टेक्स और उनके करेक्ट वर्जन्स बताने वाली हूँ जो आप डेली यूज कर सकते हो। ये वीडियो बिगिनर्स से लेकर प्रोफेशनल्स तक सबके लिए यूजफुल है और वीडियो एंड तक ज़रूर देखना, क्योंकि सबसे ज़्यादा मिस्टेक्स जो हम करते हैं वो हमने एंड में डिस्कस किया है। डोंट से आई डिड अ मिस्टेक, से आई मेड अ मिस्टेक। डोंट से आई विल रिटर्न बैक, इंस्टेड से आई विल रिटर्न। डोंट से लेट्स डिस्कस अबाउट द प्रॉब्लम, सिंपली से let's discuss the problem. Don't say revert back to me. Say revert to me or reply to me. Don't say order for food. Say order food. Don't say enter into the room. Say enter the room. Don't say married with. Say married to. Don't say request you to. Say I request you to. Don't say myself Rahul. Say I am Rahul or my name is Rahul. Don't say I'm having two big brothers. Say I have two big brothers. Don't say I didn't understood. That's a strict no. Say I didn't understand. Use V1, meaning first form of verb with did. Don't say I am having pain in the head. Say I have a headache. Don't say I'm knowing him. Say I know him. Don't say I'm understanding. Say I understand. Don't say today morning. Instead, say this morning. क्या आपने इनमें से कोई मिस्टेक की है? अगर हाँ तो कमेंट में यस लिखिए। डोंट से वन ऑफ माई फ्रेंड, से वन ऑफ माई फ्रेंड्स। डोंट से मोर बेटर, से better, because we don't use two comparatives together. Don't say very much tired, say very tired. Don't say passing out from college, say graduating from college. Don't say do one thing, say here's what you can do. Don't say open the light, say switch on the light. Don't say close the light, say switch off the light. Don't say shifted to new house, say moved to new house. Don't say where do you stay, say where do you live. Don't say what is your good name, say what is your name. Don't say I'm coming in 5 minutes, say I'll come in 5 minutes. Don't say I'm here only, say I'm right here. Don't say back of the building, say behind the building. Don't say repeat again, say repeat. Don't say join together, say join. Don't say return back again, say return. Don't say discuss together, say discuss. Don't say reply back, say reply. Don't say I didn't knew, say I didn't know. Don't say I'm not able to understand, say I can't understand. Don't say explain me this, say explain this to me. Don't say tell me where are you, say tell me where you are. Don't say he only told me, say he told me. Don't say I gave the exam, say I took the exam. Don't say I gave an interview, say I had an interview. Don't say I'm in tension, say I am stressed or I am worried. Don't say stop doing time pass, say stop killing time. Don't say, what is your qualification? Say, what did you study? Don't say, out of station. Say, out of town. Don't say, cousin brother or cousin sister. Simply say, cousin. अब देखते हैं लास्ट 5 मिस्टेक्स. ये सबसे ज़्यादा कॉमन मिस्टेक्स हैं. Don't miss them. Don't say, I'm having doubt. Say, I have a doubt. Don't say, what is this? Say, do you know what this is? Don't say, why you are late. Say, why are you late? Don't say, he don't know. Say, he doesn't know. Don't say, she don't like it. Say, she doesn't like it. The rule is, with singular subjects, we use does, and with plural subjects, you and I, we use do. Here's a bonus tip, the most important English rule. Don't translate directly from Hindi. Think in simple English. Simple English is correct English. If you found the video useful, like this video, subscribe to Ask Knowledge Point, and watch our daily English shorts for quick learning. Don't forget to practice daily. Small steps lead to big improvement.